x times x squared minus 1 equal to 132,600. We want to find x is what, and x is real number. Okay, so x is real number. First, left hand side, you can say x squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1. And then we can say, okay, it is equal to this. Now I want to find one solution, at least one. So maybe we can find integer solution, and this idea is so much useful in also other problems. So let's prime factorize this number. It is 100. 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times, or let's write 100, and then at the end we will write it like this. 100 times 1326. This number is multiple of 2, so it will be 100 times 2 times 6 times 6 times 3. And 663 is multiple of 3, so we can write it as 100 times 2 times 3, 6. If you divide by 3, it will be 221. 221, if you consider this number, is it multiple of 3? No. Is it multiple of 7? No. Is it multiple of 11? No. Is it multiple of 13? Okay, it's multiple of 13. And it's 13 times 17 if you divide. 100 times 6 times 13 times 17. Now, we can say, okay, 100 has 2 2's, it will be 2, 2, and 6 has 1, 2. And then we have 1, 3 because of 6. We have 2 5's because of 100 times 13 times 17. Now, I know that x minus my x plus 1, product of 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, so x minus 1, x plus 1 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 13 times 17. How we can find product of 3 consecutive numbers? If we consider 17, for example, then we need 16. We don't have 16 because we have 3 2's, so 17, next one 18. 18 needs 2 3's, so 17 is not possible. If we consider 2 times 17, 34. Then 35 not possible because we don't have 7. 33 not possible because we don't have 11. If we consider 3 times this 51, then for 13 we can use 52 and 50. So let's create that. 17 times 3, 51. For 50, we say 5 times 5 times 2. 5, 5, 2. It will be 50. And for 52, 2, 2, 13 is 52. Okay, so that's good. Now we can say what? X equal the mid one, 51. So one answer is x equal to 51. And because the degree is 3, we can factorize. If you multiply, it will be x cubed minus x, and let's take it to left hand side, minus 132,600. Because x51 is one answer, you can factorize, and x minus 51 is one factor. Then we place x squared to create x cubed. We don't have x squared here. Negative 51x squared, we place 51x. And then at the end, for creating this, it's 51 plus 50 times 52. Okay, and this is our factorization. In next step, this one is 0 or this one is 0. Let's consider this part, x squared plus 51x. Let's write it, x squared plus 51x plus 50 times 52 equal to 0. Now, in the beginning of the solution, we said that if x is real number, and by quadratic formula, we know that if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and x is real number, the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, should be greater than or equal to 0. If we consider here, discriminant is 51 squared minus 4 times 1 times 50 times 52. It should be greater than or equal to 0. But if you consider this one, it is less than 51 squared. You can say it is less than 60 squared. And this part, you can say 4 times this 200. times 52. And it will be 3600 minus 41000, which is less than 0. And that's not possible to have any real solution here. Okay. So our only answer is x equal to 51. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.